Let's understand some basic details of C. Okay, C created in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie. Um, okay, he is a creator. The original C was created by Dennis Ritchie. Okay, so so okay, let's try to understand what is size of each rare knives here. Though you can see that as integer, if you try to print size of integer, it will print 4 bytes. It will print 4. Size of float will print again 4. My double will print 8, and my character will print 1 byte 1 here. The ZU is a special format specifier for the um, data types for using size of. The size of can be printed using ZU formatter, so that will be aligned properly. Okay, so this is the size of, so each data type will be printed with the proper size. So here you can see I try to execute this in online GDB debugger. Online GDB debugger is where you can write your program and compile and debug, and you can print outputs on the online GDB debugger. So this the screen you are seeing now is the online GDB debugger screen. Okay, where I wrote the example for the 4 types: integer, character, and the float and double float. I try to print those. I assigned some character and the integer, float, and double, and I printed those on the screen. You can see the character printed is D, the integer printed is 1 2 3 4, and float is printed 3.14, and double is printed with more precision, more number of decimal points. Okay, here you can see we have some of the operator. uh, so plus, minus, star, division, and modulus, and plus plus, and the minus minus. So as you know, the plus can be used something like this, like 5 plus 4, uh, like this, is equal to C. So say for example integer C is equal to 5 plus 4. So this operator will add, as you know already, this will add two integers, 5 plus 4. That means C will become 9. And we have subtraction. You can do same for 5 minus 4 here. Then you will get the answer 1 to the 1. 1 will be assigned to C here. And same for the multiplication. If you do 5 star floor to 4, this is a into symbol. So we have a asterisk is a 5 asterisk 4 means 5 fours are 20. So C will be assigned with 20. Then the division 5 division 4, or you can assign a different value here, 4 divide 2, so C will be assigned with 2. Okay, these are the basic operator: plus, minus, division and multiplication. So now the modulus, if you do 5 modulus 4 here, then C will be assigned with the remainder. So 5 will be divided by 4 and remainder will be assigned to C. Here in this case, the 1 will be the remainder. So if you divide 5 divided by 4, then 1 will be the remainder. Remainder will be assigned to. So modulus will give remainder of the operation. So now we have plus plus. There's a catch in the plus plus actually. Say for example, plus plus C here, int C is equal to 5 plus plus C is equal to comma A is equal to plus plus C. When you execute this equation, this code, so C will be incremented. So originally C will be 5, plus plus 6 means this is a pre-increment, is called pre-increment, because we are incrementing first. So that's why it's called pre-increment. Okay, so 5 will be incremented to 6 and 6 will be assigned to A. A will become 6. Okay, same holds good for minus minus. So 5 will be decremented to 4. This is a pre-decrement. Then 4 will be assigned to A. Now, okay, this post increment, then the post decrement. Let's talk about post increment. So post increment will be something like C plus plus. Okay. Now C will be originally 5. Okay. Whenever you do a post increment, the original 5, the C is 5, original 5 will be allocated. Okay, the original 5 will be allocated at this line. C will be 5 and A will be 5, and at the next line, so A will be allocated with 5, then C will be incremented to 6. First A will be allocated to 5, A is equal to 5, the assignment will work at this line. Okay, at the next line when you come, so C will become 6. The assign will happen with the same value as 5. Then it increments to 6. Then C will become 6. Same for C minus minus. This is a post decrement. The 5 will assign to A. The A will become 5. Then C will become 4 at the next line after this line. So this is a post decrement. So this is about plus plus and minus minus. Okay. So these are the operators, assignment operators we call it. You can see here int is equal to my int. When you say my int is equal to 5. This is the assignment operator, simple assignment. And my int plus is equal to 3. This is same as my int plus 3 so my int is equal to my int plus 3. When you say my int plus is equal to 3, so this is same as this line, my int is equal to my int plus 3. That means my int will be added with 3, then 3 plus my int will become my int. Say for example, if my int is 4 here, then this will be like my int will become 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So 7 will be allocated here. This is 4. This is plus is equal to, so the same for minus is equal to. When you say minus here, this will be replaced. So this will become 4 minus 3, 1. Same thing applies for remaining operator. So whatever you replace here, the replacing here will be applied. Like say for example, this is the operator here, and this will be replaced with operator. So this OP can be anything, like other different operators. This can be plus or minus or multiplication, division, modulus, ampersand, or is a power. This is right shift, left shift. So this operator will be replaced with these things. So you can write, this is called shorthand method. Shorthand. This is the actual meaning of this shorthand. My int operate OP is equal to 3 can be translated as my int is equal to my int operation 3. The operator can be any operator that listed here. Okay, this can be used. This operator can be used in C, and these are the operator comparison operators. The complete comparator operators you can compare with. This is like comparing with this can be equal to, and you can see the example here, x is equal to y. That means if x is equal to y, and you observe 2 equals we are using to compare. If both are equal, if x and y are both are equal, then it returns 1. Same for not equal. If not equal, if x is not equal to y, if x is not equal to y, then it returns 1. This true means it returns 1. False returns 0. So here instead of not, you can use greater than. If x is greater than or equal to y, it returns for true it returns 1, false it returns 0. Same for less than or equal to y. Okay, and you can also use if x is less than y, and x is less greater than y. In all the cases, if true, it returns 1, false, it returns 0. Okay. Then we discuss about logical operators and if x is y, x and y, if x you can see something like this, x is less than y and x is less than 10. Say for example, if this is 1 and this is 0, this will work as a AND operator here. Okay, if 1 and 0, you know that the AND operation, what happens for the AND operation? If both are 0, then AND operation will give, if 0 and 0, so the output will be 0, 0 and 1, then this output will be 0 again, 1 0, again the output will be 0. If both are true, this 2 and this both returns true, then the output will be true. That is what the AND will do. And for the OR, this will 0. If either of 1 is 1, then the answer will be 1. So this is the output for the OR operation. And for the NOT, is a different. NOT takes only one. So NOT of x less than 5. So simple. So if the expression is 0, NOT of 0 will become 1. NOT of 1 is equal to. So NOT will complement the expression. If NOT of 0 is equal to 1, then if NOT of 1 is equal to 0. And this is about the precedence. That means priority. How C will give priority for the different operators. Here you can see the parenthesis will get the highest priority and assignment operator will get the lowest priority. And rest you can see how the multiplication operators, arithmetic operators will get the priority, logical operators, comparison operators all will get the priority. Thank you.